Comfortable is essential. The pros who make it happen are more than experts. They're heroes. At Ferguson HVAC, we're behind you every step of the way, with knowledge and experience. We're ready to help you tame any extreme. As one of the nation's leading wholesale distributors of HVAC equipment, parts, and supplies, Ferguson helps you maintain peak productivity. When the job demands expert guidance from the best in the business, quick access to quality products, and complete technical and logistical support, the pros trust Ferguson. Our full-service solutions make your job seamless with unmatched inventory of vital repair parts, supplies, and equipment. Available at over 260 locations in more than 30 states through a national network of 10 distribution centers. So what you need is right there, right when you need it most, including in-demand products from top manufacturers, customer training to keep you current on new technologies, reliable delivery to the job site on your schedule, and the commitment of a loyal partner. Because so much is riding on the work you do, we're here to help you meet every challenge with a cool head and earn the satisfaction of a job well done. We make life comfortable.